100 pesos. There's many different types. These wallets are 5 for 100 as well. So should we get Okay guys, we are booking our activities. We're doing parasailing and island hopping. And then during the island hopping, we're gonna do the snorkeling.
Yeah, we're doing snorkeling. We're going to couple island. We're doing 2 snorkelings actually, 2 different places, and then we're going to Puka Beach.
Meanwhile, we bought some souvenirs. I got a t-shirt and wallet.
For bukas ko na.
Here. Yeah.
Wala lang kaya tomorrow sir ng beach towel.
Beach towel, okay po.
Opo, nagpo-provide naman po yung Hennan Garden ng towel.
Pa, okay po.
Kasi mag-swimming kasi kayo sir eh.
Nga po.
Kailanganin po natin. Deposit lang sir yung need namin sir.
Okay, so bukas na yung buo.
Opo.
So, para sailing po at saka boating po na. Island hopping pa lang.
And then,
Tanong natin.
7.2.
Yan yung total.
Opo.
Okay. So, 8:30 magsisimula. Okay po.
Bali, 3 packs island hopping with lunch buffet sir. 3 packs para sailing.
3 packs, okay po. Oh, 3 packs, 2, ang nakalagay 2 packs kasi po.
Sir.
Parang 2. Okay po, para clear lang po.
Yes sir. Ito lang naman guys lang.
Oo nga po. Thank you po.
Sabi lang kayo sir kung gusto nyo mag-jet ski ma'am
Okay
sir.
po. Balik, hanapin na po kayo namin.
Apo.
So, dito lang, saan po mag-meet up?
Dito rin sir.
Dito lang din, mag-meet up.
Dito lang
mga
naman ako
oras
sa
po kami nandito dapat? Mga 8, gano'n?
Hindi ba kayo masyadong nararush sa 8?
Okay na po yung 8, yes?
Or
8:15.
Opo.
Okay po. Sige po, try po na.
So yung di lang kayo nararush ma'am sir.
Pwede
Pwede
mo,
natin pwede ko yan i-skip ng 9. Medyo maaga kayo sa...
kasama po
Hey guys, so we booked all our excursions with Bamboo Travel and Tours. You can find their booth in Station 3 on the beachfront, right in front of the Bamboo Beach Resort and Restaurant. So as you can see in the photo above, they have a little booth there. They have lots of activities you can choose from, like parasailing, island hopping, as well as land tours like ATVing and other things. So we recommend looking for Hemerson, also known as Hemmer. He was our tour guide. He was super nice, and if you do find him, let us know and tell him we said hi. If you have any questions with any of the activities that we did, like parasailing or island hopping, please just let us know in the comments down below. You can also message us on Instagram.
Ate. Or, magkano po kayo?
Yes, 100.
100 per ano po? Okay. Sorry po po. Wet packs. Dry bags. We should get the big yellow one, right? May 20, they have 21. So it's big. Kuya, may what color? The purple?
Or the
20 or gusto nyo each? So 10? Ganun? 10 pack? Ano size?
Can I see the 5? Black.
Yung 5 na itim po.
Hindi 250.
250 po.
May bago jam.
Ano po tawag dito?
Tabagpak.
Should we get like 3 5s? Well, I got one already.
Yeah, I'll get that.
What color?
Purple one.
Purple and black? You sure you want black at?
Yeah.
Last price po. Dalawa bibili. 400 po. 450. Dalawa po.
Tayo pa hindi dyan.
Pwede?
Tayo ba dyan? Buwan naman.
450 po. Sige na nga po. May cash pa kayo?
Yeah. How much? 5?
Isa pong purple po, tsaka isang black.
Oh, that's a little small.
Anong ba kayo maglagay?
Apa. Nakabili kami kahapon po. Thank you po. May strap po to, no? At saka po yung ano po, purple po, meron po. Yung tabi ng black po. Yung, ayun po.
Ay, violet.
Yung violet po. Violet pala yun. Hindi pala purple. Ito na lang po muna po. Mag-isa na lang po muna. 250. 250 ko yan, ah. Violet. Yan po yan. Ay, yung change mo. Salamat sa kanya po.
Thank you.
250 po. 250 lang po. Marami po masyado.
Oh, sorry.
Po, magkano po yan?
Siya. Ano to sir? 180.
180.
Oo.
XL po yan? Large lang po ata yun.
XL.
XL po yan?
XL ho. Free size kasi ito siya. Basta walang tatak. Free size.
Okay
Malaki
po.
lang siya.
Oh,
Pero yun sir, na-stock ko yun.
puti sana po para
Ayun. Ayun sir. Stock.
free size lang po, wala.
Ganito naman yung design niya sir.
Maganda naman po yun.
With Philippines.
Magkano po? 180?
Oo. Photo naman kasi sa yung tela niya.
Oo nga po. Sige lang po. Thank you po. Salamat po ate.
I got this one.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's nice. It's really nice.
You don't like it?
No, I'm okay. I have so many fanny packs already.
Because we don't have space in the freezer.
I
I'm like
know.
wondering what. I go
We
put my
gotta-
knapsack.
We're gonna release some.
Yes, sir.
Hello po kuya.
Coming
Shout.
Sir, wala pa akong benta. Bigyan kita
Wala.
magandang presyo.
Magkano po? May ano pong sizes niyo dito?
2XL.
May 2X po to?
Opo.
Magkano po?
180, pamine 150.
Pamine,
diba?
150.
Kasi boy naman, no? Swerte pag boy naman. Swerte pag boy naman.
150.
Sir, bili ka namin bago sa please, sir. Ito may plain white. Malaki din.
Malaki din po pala. 2X po yan?
Opo.
Kasya po kaya sa akin
Ay,
yan?
oo, sir. May sumot ng Arabo, sir. Ikaw pa kaya. Actually, sir, na-stretch siya, sir. At saka malamig pa. Di ba, bigyan kita ng giveaway pag bumili ka.
May giveaway pa.
Sir, para blessing, di ba? Swerte pag buhay naman.
Saglit pa.
Ipagpan natin.
Ano ba?
Promise, sir, 150 na lang. Imbes 180 pa mine, 150.
Pamine po ba?
Libre hanger.
Libre yan. Plastic tapos po. Libre
Opo,
na.
libre din. May mga kulay pero mas maganda.
Wala na po mas malaki. Parang maliit po yan sa akin.
You can try first.
Patingin nga po. Pa-open nga po.
Okay. Kasha to, sir, promise. Ang laki niya.
Tanong ko po si boss.
What's it?
Be, come for a sec. Oh. Saglit lang po ah. Yeah. I'm just gonna see if like it can fit me.
Oh, you want to try?
No. Like that one. Kuya. This one.
Thank you.
Para gawing 5 band.
Magnet na lang. Ayan.
Ay, magbenta na po kayo. Hindi na po ba naman? Patingin niya po ulit ng size niya.
That one is cow. Yes. Just try first.
Sige po, pili lang po kayo pamay. Saan po?
Oh, you don't want to try it. That's fine.
Sorry, it's not right. Actually, it's three chocolate.
I don't think so. Yeah.
Hindi tao po.
Masyado pong maliit lang.
Pwede siya gawin kwenta kasi ano yun
Sir, kahit ano na
mapagawa. Pero oo. Daod!
Magkano po yung
magkano nga to? Daod, tiglatin.
That's sick.
I want to.
I don't drink any.
You want us to buy us other
Iba
things?
kasi yan, cowboy.
Salamat po.
Sarong, sir. Ito, ma'am, kahit sarong.
Yeah, I don't think it'll fit me.
Ate.
Bigyan ko naman kayo ng discount.
Masyadong maliit po.
Okay naman.
Oh, may itim po kayo nito?
Oh, this is nice. Come on, match.
Only
Magkano
this
to?
one. 2 for 180.
Two for
Pamain, 2 for 180.
2 for 150 po.
Po, naantok ka na naman, sir. Gumitin ka sa katotohanan. Grabe ka naman, sir. Boy naman. Huwag nang baratin, sir. Don't worry, I'll give you gift.
Libre daw plastic.
Hi, shout out. Ayan. Bili kayo sa akin, ha?
Ma'am, wait
Libre
lang
daw
po,
plastic.
ha? Saglit. Ma'am, ayan, mamay nyo na po.
Ayan, sir, upo ka dyan. Baka nakapagod. Ilan taon ka ba? Father. Ito, kasya nito. Actually, sarili ko.
Kayo po gumawa yan?
Yes, walang katulad na makikita. Totoo yan.
Parang makita ko yun nun.
Wala, try.
Wala po ba?
Ano ba? Bibili si madam. Hindi kita bigay picture.
Ate. I get Sophie and Kian.
Yeah?
What about this one? Same tone.
For kill?
Yeah. 4 kill. You get this madam?
You think it would fit Kill and Sophia?
4 or 5.
I
And
think
then
it
this
will
one other design. The same color.
Okay.
You get this? Okay. Thank you so much.
Ayan na po. Ayun. May
Pag bumili
palito.
kayo sa akin, ayan, giveaway po natin yan.
Ayun.
Keychain, pamigay sa
you.
Marites. Ayan.
Salamat po.
You hold this.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Ay, salamat.
Magkano po?
180.
180.
Yeah.
You have 180.
Wala
Salamat.
na.
Wala na po pera?
Joke lang po kayo. Joke lang. Ayan.
180.
180 yeah. Ito po.
May change po.
Kayo na po yan, kuya.
Oh, Allah, salamat.
Thank
Pagpag
you.
pala ng tayo. Thank you, mama. ha. Thank
Thank
you,
you po.
sir.
Thank you po.
Sana marami kayong matulungan.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Ingat sa tama.
Hi friends, I just want to give you a tour of our hotel room at the Hennan Garden Resort. Let's focus. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we're on the 5th floor, and the first room to our right is the washroom. It's so beautiful. There's a tub. There's this big shower here. And to close the blinds on the windows, you can just see that you can pull on that, pull on the cord here, the chain. And then right here you have a nice sink for the guys. They provide lotion, conditioner, bath foam, shampoo, cotton bud shower cap, shaving kit, and dental kit, and a hand soap, of course. Then you have a hair dryer there, which is super important for us gals and guys, I guess. And you have towels. Here's your toilet, and yeah, that's that. Here they provide you with hangers and umbrellas and a safe. You wouldn't think these little details are important, but yes, they are. Just for the whole function, for the day, set you up right, you know. Okay, so here we have a double-sized bed and like a queen-size bed. Very nice. Let me give you a quick pan. A full-size mirror here for OTGs. And then you have your TV here, a nice huge counter space right there. Let's check out what they have in here. Put this up for you guys. Okay, so you have the fridge, nice small LG fridge. Has a little freezer up top there. Good amount of space for your water bottles and whatnot. Here you have a pull-out drawer. Got some cups, instant coffee, creamer, tea, all that. Then you have a kettle here and a pitcher here. Everything you need. Great. Next, right here, you have a desk. And looks like you have a magazine here, just a guest note, and a little ad here for their buffet. Cool. And you have a little seating area there, which is great. Then you have balcony with 2 chairs and somewhere to hang your clothes. Let's go see the view. So this is the top floor. So let's see. We got a view of the pool below. Very nice. And the beautiful palm trees. Forgot which side the ocean is, but it's nearby as well. Anyways. Yep. That's the end of my Hennan room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye!